morning started out the way all good riding days do. Cool mountain air, the low rumble of engines warming up, and that quiet anticipation that settles in before the first mile. There were 4 of us that day, lined up on our bikes and ready to disappear into the folds of the Nantahala National Forest. The plan was simple: spend the day carving through some of western North Carolina's best roads, follow the sweepers along Wire Road, and pay a visit to a good friend of ours who keeps a small cabin tucked deep into the woods. If you've ever ridden Wire Road, you know it's one of those stretches that feels purpose-built for motorcycles. It doesn't scream for attention like some of the more famous roads in the region. There's no billboard hype, no crowds lining up for photos. It's just pure mountain riding. Smooth pavement, endless rhythm, and enough perfectly linked curves to keep you grinning inside your helmet for miles. As we rolled out, the road wasted no time reminding us why we'd come. The pavement twisted and climbed through dense hardwood forest, each corner opening up just enough to reveal another ribbon of blacktop curling ahead. Sunlight filtered through the trees and scattered beams, flashing across our visors as we leaned through one sweeping turn after another. Off to our side, the waters of the Nantahala River move steadily through the gorge, clear and cold, fed by mountain springs and shaded by deep green slopes. Every now and then the road would pull close enough for us to catch glimpses of the river cutting through the valley below. White water tumbling over rock, the sound rising faintly even over the hum of our engines. That's one of the things that makes riding here different. Nantahala has a way of making you feel small in the best possible sense. The mountains rise around you like old guardians, layered in every shade of green imaginable. Massive poplars and oak trees crowd the roadside, while distant ridgelines fade into that smoky blue haze the Appalachians are famous for. It's the kind of scenery that makes you ease off the throttle for a moment, not because the road demands it, but because you don't want to miss what's around you. On trips like this, it's never just about the destination. It's about what's in the space in between. Roger's cabin sits exactly where a cabin like that should, hidden away down a narrow gravel road, surrounded by towering trees, far enough off the beaten path that you'd never know it was there unless somebody showed you. When we rolled in, he was already outside waiting on us, grinning as the sound of 4 bikes echoed through the woods. There's something special about arriving somewhere on motorcycles, especially a place like this. The ride itself becomes part of the visit, and pulling into that clearing felt like we'd earned the stop. We killed the engines, peeled off our helmets, and were immediately handed cold beverages before we'd even gotten both feet on the ground. That first drink after a morning of mountain riding always hits differently. We gathered around, catching up and trading stories while the forest hummed quietly around us. No traffic noise, no distractions, just good friends, cold drinks, and the kind of peace you only find when you're miles from the nearest town. After a while, he gave us a tour of his property. His place is one of those setups that every rider dreams about. A small, rugged cabin surrounded by just enough cleared land to feel open, with the rest swallowed by dense forest. A fantastic view through the branches that opened up toward the mountains beyond, just perfect. Every inch of it felt intentional, simple, quiet, exactly what it needed to be. Walking around, it was easy to imagine spending days there with nowhere to be, waking up to the fog drifting through the trees, and ending the evenings by a fire as the temperature dropped with the sun. Eventually, though, the road started calling us again. That's the thing about days like this. No matter how good the stop is, there's always that itch to throw a leg back over the bike and see what waits around the next bend. Pulling away from the cabin, we found our way back onto Wire Road and pointed ourselves deeper into the Nantahala. The afternoon sun stretching long shadows across the pavement. The river kept pace beside us for a while, sparkling through breaks in the trees, while the mountains stood watch overhead. 4 friends, 4 motorcycles, endless curves, good roads, and good company. Days like this are hard to explain to anyone who doesn't ride. It's freedom, sure, but it's more than that. It's the connection to the machine beneath you, to the road ahead, to the people riding beside you, and to the places like Nantahala that remind you how wild and beautiful this world still is. But the day wasn't over yet. It was just the beginning for us. We still had many more miles to go and memories to create. Long after the engines go silent tonight, that ride will stay with us for years to come. Thanks for watching. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you out there in America on two wheels.